Now today I've landed at Brown and Holmes in Tamworth. Now we'd like to see a lot of companies at the moment investing, and they've invested in this brand new DMG MORI DMU 75, and I'm here with Kevin Ward, the MD. Now Kevin, it's obviously interesting times for us, but before we talk about why you've bought this particular machine and from DMG MORI UK, can you tell us a little bit about Brown and Holmes and what this machine would be used for?
Brown and Holmes predominantly design and manufacturer of work holding, specialist tooling equipment, including manual handling solutions, special purpose machine tools, but also we have two fairly large machine shops which house some very hungry animals in there which we have to keep busy, so we subcontract our spare capacity for various machining projects and what have you, and yeah, that's led us into more complex machining projects and the need for extra access on our machines, hence the investment.
I was over in Fronton earlier this year where they actually build these machines, and the 75 now is one of the most popular machines. But could you tell us why you chose this specific machine?
We didn't initially choose it, although we were very aware of the machine, and it was certainly a long-term wish list, but as is normal, budget is the main dominator, and we looked at a lower entry-level machine with DMG, but we were made aware of the finance packages that they do offer over at Coventry, and it really allowed us a bit of slack to push the boat out and enter at a higher level of machine spec, really.
Well, that's quite interesting, isn't it? But, you know, specifically, what type of work would you actually be using this for? Would it be more for offering capacity or making parts for your work holding solutions?
Both. And a lot of the complex fixtures have within them complex parts. So to be able to make them in fewer setups is no different to many of our customers who are looking to do the same. But also it offers extra facilities regards component manufacture, which we can market also.
I suppose new machines come with obviously a new way of learning. How's the training and the support from DMG MORI UK?
Well, considering the restrictions we have on working at the moment, the support's been superb, very, very complimentary of DMG's guys. We've had a few technical issues when we first tried to get to grips with the machine, which were handled very, very quickly and very, very easily to the DMG guys, but they had us up and running very, very quickly. We've had one-to-one training on the machine last week, which just fantastic service and support, really. I can't commend them enough.
I know you are very forward-thinking a company with everybody on both sides of your business, but looking into the future, I know it's very difficult what's going on, Kevin, but will there be more investment on machine tools, and would that be particularly with DMG MORI?
Fingers crossed, yes. We have no hesitation to go back to DMG without doubt, but yeah, what the future holds for us, very uncertain at the moment, but yeah, hopefully things get back on track as quickly as possible, and we'll be chasing it down and looking to expand this business and bring in some more quality kit.
And finally, does this give you a little bit of capacity to offer to the market?
Definitely, yeah. We're looking to keep it busy, and we'd like to be in the market for another one later this year, hopefully. But yeah, we're looking to put work on there and keep it busy on multiple shifts, to be honest.